Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad SE. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. Right here you will find all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the display manually or via automatic brightness. Next, you can enable or disable dark mode, schedule it, or enable all day. The same with eye comfort mode, and also you can adjust the eye comfort mode filter. Next, you can enable or disable ebook mode. Then you can change text size and text weight. Adjust the display size. Change sleep timeout between 15 seconds, 10 minutes or never. Then you can adjust color, temperature, enable or disable smart resolution, and app multiplier. When app multiplier is enabled, supported apps will be opened in dual windows or an optimized single window view when your device is in landscape orientation. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.